Other common names: tuberosity block, zygomatic block, nerves anesthetized, PSA nerve and branches. Areas anesthetized. 1. Pulps of the maxillary 3rd, 2nd, and 1st molars. Entire 1st molar, 72% success rate. Mesiobuccal root of the maxillary 1st molar, not anesthetized, 28% of PSA nerve blocks. 2. Buccal periodontium and bone overlying these teeth. Technique 1. A 27-gauge short needle is recommended. 2. Area of insertion. Height of the mucobuccal fold above the maxillary 2nd molar. 3. Target area. PSA nerve posterior, superior, and medial to the posterior border of the maxilla. 4. Landmarks. A. Mucobuccal fold. B. Maxillary tuberosity. C. Zygomatic process of the maxilla. 5. Orientation of the bevel. Toward bone during the injection. If bone is accidentally touched, the sensation is less unpleasant. Advance the needle slowly in an upward, inward, and backward direction. I. Upward superiorly at a 45-degree angle to the occlusal plane. 2. Inward, medially toward the midline at a 45-degree angle to the occlusal plane. 3. Backward posteriorly at a 45-degree angle to the long axis of the 2nd molar. Depth of penetration in adult, 16 millimeters. In children, 10 to 14 millimeters. Aspirations are negative. Deposit 0.9 to 1.8 milliliters of anesthetic solution, slowly over 30 to 60 seconds. Complications. 1. Hematoma, mandibular anesthesia, subjective sign and symptoms. 1. Subjective, usually none. The patient has difficulty reaching this region to determine the extent of anesthesia. 2. Objective, use of a freezing spray, e.g., endo ice, or an EPT with no response from the tooth with maximal EPT output, 80-80.